And race on Sir Bombs rushing up from the outside is Angel Dugo. Angel Dugo, Lake his way, good humor. Danori inside and Gedi rushing up Sir Bombs alongside Swab Tiger. Aramis and nearing the last 600, Lake his way in the middle, Angel Dugo, Sir Bombs rushing up, good humor is racing forward by a length and a half, and Getty is racing fifth, Swab Tiger is racing sixth, running by the Rat Conquista Boy, and entry number 13, 8, Domek. Lake his way, Sir Bombs from the outside, good humor. It's the Lake his way by a length and a half, followed by Sir Bombs, Angel Dugo. A long shot is Danori inside, moves up to take the lead. Angel Dugo, Lake his way. It's Angel Dugo, Lake his way, and Gedi Danori inside. Sir Bombs, good humor, Swab Tiger. But still Angel Dugo, a long shot by 3 lengths, followed by good humor, Swab Tiger. And finally Angel Dugo, second, good humor, Swab Tiger, and Gedi, Lake his way, and Sir Bombs for your super